Hello everyone, this is the sixth lecture on the sequences, and in this lecture we will study about the limit point of a sequence. In the first unit you have studied about the limit point of a set. Okay. In this lecture we will study the limit point of a sequence. Clear? So we define limit point of a sequence an. A real number L, okay, is said to be limit point of a sequence an. Okay. A real number L is said to be limit point of a sequence an if every neighborhood of L must contain infinitely many members of the given sequence an. Contains infinitely many members of the sequence an. That is, for a epsilon positive. If you take a epsilon positive, means you are going to construct a neighborhood of any real number. Okay. If you will change the epsilon, then you will get different neighborhood. Okay. Or you can construct different neighborhood, okay, for a epsilon positive. The neighborhood of L means L minus epsilon, L plus epsilon. Here if you change the epsilon, then you will get, or you can change the neighborhood of L. Here we write then every neighborhood of L means for every epsilon positive, this is the neighborhood of L. Clear? Must contain infinitely many member of the given sequence n, means an goes to neighborhood of L, but there must be infinitely member of given sequence an. So we can write for infinitely many values of n. That is, L minus epsilon, L plus epsilon, must contain infinitely many members of n. Okay. This condition hold for every neighborhood of L. Okay. Then we say that the L is the limit point of the given sequence an. Now we construct some example of the limit point of a sequence. Example, if we take a sequence an where an is 1 by n, means sequence is 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. Clear? Then here actually we will check 1 is a limit point or not of the given sequence. Clear? So here we take, actually this sequence is like that on the real line, this is plus infinity and this is minus infinity, and here is 0, and suppose this is 1 and this is 1 by 2 and here 1 by 3, similarly here 1 by 4 and so on. Clear? What 0 is not member of this sequence. Clear? If we take a neighborhood of L whose if we take here epsilon is 1 by 3. Clear? If we subtract epsilon 1 by 3, so we will get here 1 by 3 means 2 by 3. Here we subtract 1 minus 1 by 3 and 1 plus 1 by 3. We add 1 by 3 in here, so we have 4 by 3. So the neighborhood of 1 is 1 minus 1 by 3 comma 1 plus 1 by 3. Clear? Or this is 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Neighborhood of 1. Clear? Okay. Here actually we are going to check, or we are checking 1 is a limit point of the given sequence or not. So here we construct a neighborhood of 1 which does not contain any member of the given sequence. Okay. Here 1 by 2 does not belong to this interval, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. No member of the sequence will contain in this neighborhood of 1. By definition, every neighborhood of L must contain infinitely many member of the given sequence X. Suppose you will take a neighborhood. Suppose here is 0 and here is 1 and 1 by 2. These are the member of the sequence, 1 by 3 and so on, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. If you take a neighborhood which contains 1 by 2, okay. So here we can construct a neighborhood which contain only one member of the sequence, which is 1 by 2. So we can say that 1 cannot be the limit point of the given sequence 1 by n, because by definition of the limit point, every neighborhood must contain infinitely many member of the given sequence. What here you can easily make many neighborhood which contains no or finitely member of the given sequence. Therefore 1, similarly you can check 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and so on are not the limit point of this sequence. Clear? Now if we take, we know that limit of this sequence is, in next we will show that every limit is a limit point of the sequence what converts is not true. Okay. So here 0 is limit, we are saying here 0 is limit, not limit point. What every limit implies limit point. We write in short, complete sentence will be a limit of a sequence is always limit point of that sequence. Clear? So here 0 is limit point of this sequence, because if you construct any neighborhood, 0 minus epsilon, 0 plus epsilon, or by Archimedean property you can change epsilon by 1 by n minus 1 by n. This is the neighborhood of 0. It is clear that it must contain, sorry, here we have 1 by n. It is clear that here infinitely many member of the sequence belongs to the neighborhood of 0. Clear? So here it is clear that 0 is limit point of given sequence 1 by n. There are some important point related to the limit point. Note, if a member in a sequence repeating infinitely times, then it must be a limit point of the given sequence. If a member L, okay, member L of a sequence repeating infinitely times in the sequence, then L must be the limit point of the sequence. Clear? For example, if we take a sequence where nth term is minus 1 to the power n, here actually sequence is minus 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and so on. Here minus 1 and 1 are repeated infinitely times, therefore minus 1 and 1 are limit points of given sequence minus 1 to the power n. So it is clear that the limit point of a sequence there may be finite or infinite, there may be more than one limit point of a sequence. Okay, what the limit always unique of a sequence. Okay, now we are construct a sequence which has infinitely many limit points. Therefore, point number 2, there may be more than one limit points. Okay, of a sequence. Example, previous example, this previous example -1 to the power n, which has 1 and -1 limit point, and we will also discuss the many sequence which contains 2, 3, 4 or infinitely limit point. For example, if we are going to construct sequence where nth term of the sequence is, this is one, when n is even, clear, and this is p where p is smallest prime factor of n when n is odd number. So here actually here 1, 2, 3, 5, here actually we have a sequence where n repeated infinitely, 1 repeated infinitely times, so 1 is the limit point, or 2 may be the smallest prime factor of infinitely many odd numbers, so 2 is also a limit point of this sequence. Similarly, we have infinitely 3 is the many infinitely odd numbers, smallest prime factors, so 3 is also a limit point. Similarly, we can say that 5 is any limit, 5 is also limit point. Similarly, any, in short we can say that any prime number will be the limit point of this sequence. 7, 11 and so on are limit point of given sequence. Next point is a limit of a sequence is also a limit point of this sequence. You can prove it easily. Suppose that let L be the limit of a sequence an, therefore for a epsilon positive an L minus epsilon L plus epsilon. Okay, for each epsilon positive there must exist a positive integer m such that n is greater than or equal to m. Here means that the every member after m including m belongs to the neighborhood of L. This implies that am plus 1, am plus 2, am plus 3 and so on. Here we have infinitely many member of the sequence which will go to the neighborhood of L. What is the definition of the limit? Okay, or you can change the epsilon, so you can take the different neighborhood of L. It means that every neighborhood of limit contains infinitely many member of the sequence. This implies that L is the limit point of sequence an. What converse is not true means limit point may or may not the limit of the sequence. Important point, limit point may or may not limit of the sequence. Example, if we take the sequence -1 to the power n, here 1 and -1 are limit point. Okay, but we know that limit is a unique, so actually in the we have to show that actually we have shown that this is not convergent, so limit of this sequence does not exist actually. Okay, but the limit does not exist of this sequence implies, but 1 and -1 are limit point, but these are not limit. Clear? Because, or we can also say that limit of a sequence is unique. Clear? Similarly, we can construct a many example which are the limit point but not limit. Next example, if we construct a sequence where nth term is 0 n, here we take n when n is even and n when n is odd. So actually sequence will be, there will be 0 in even places. Okay, 1 0 3 0 and so on. It is clear, 0 repeated infinitely times. Here 0 is repeating infinitely times, therefore 0 is limit point. What actually here sequence, the member of sequence are 0 1 3 4 6 8 and so on. So here you can say that the given sequence is not bounded. What do we know that the convergent sequence is bounded, so it is clear that this sequence is not convergent. because this is unbounded. Okay, so limit of this point this sequence does not exist. What 0 is limit point, what limit of this sequence does not exist. Clear? So in the next lecture actually we find the condition when a limit point or always exist for a given sequence. Okay, thank you.